Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Jazz Drummer Q-tip of the week. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and also if you're enjoying my videos and to let me know that I'm on the right track, go ahead and hit that like button. Thanks so much. Now for the lesson. That. Or just on 4. You can get away with that in almost any situation. Feathering the bass drum, much quieter. But you can still feel it. When you feather, you can still accent the bass drum, but then you come right back to the feather. See? To say something. Yes. Yes. What? Again. See? In the left hand, my ride cymbal should stay unchanged. You can have that skill, even if you don't always do that. If this is too advanced for you, feel free to just play quarter notes in the ride cymbal while comping in the left hand. Then you can work towards the independence required to keep the ride pattern going while you comp.
say, you better not change. You better not. 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 You better not change. Oh, I changed it. I failed. But I'm still cool. Lift and bounce, bounce, bounce. Dang a dang, 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 bang a lang, bang a lang. Bounce. Make sure the stick bounces. Use your fingers and you use your wrist. Combination of both. Lift, 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 lift. Very important. Try to find that bounce. Dang da dang, 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 dang. Dang da dang, da dang, da dang, dang da dang, 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 dang.
Jazz drummer Q-tip of the week.